Y'all not gonna be able to say nothing to me at the company holiday party, okay? Nothing. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome on back. So this is volume 2 of my Hello Fall series, and today we are featuring none other than the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation collab. I've seen a lot of looks floating around on the gram and on YouTube, and I must say, like, it's worth the hype, okay? This is the look I created. I'm feeling myself for real. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved it, y'all just keep on watching. All right, now that everything is set in place, let us play. We have 10 shades to work with. Y'all have seen the reviews. Y'all have seen a whole bunch of looks, but y'all have not seen my look, okay? So, ooh. Okay, all right. So we have a couple of, you know, blues and taupes and golds and shimmery reds. I mean, okay. I think off top, for the look that I want to go for, I think if I could find the right brush, I think I'm going to dip into Girl Bye. And then I just kind of, I'm laying this like crease color down really sloppy, but I'm gonna blend it out with a nicer brush. I just need for everything to like lay the way it's supposed to. You feel me? All right, now that everything is laid like it's supposed to, I'm just gonna just take a bigger, fluffier, cuter blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out until I feel good about it. Oh, this is heavily pigmented, I will say that. Heavily pigmented. Like, I'm glad I didn't prime my eyes. Ooh, but it is pretty though, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm blending this in really kind of on the fly and really no precision whatsoever, because I like gradient looks. I feel like it looks natural. I feel like eye looks just kind of melt into my skin personally. So I really kind of don't really worry too much about precision, because I finish it up and make it precise when I finish my eye look and the rest of my face, if that makes sense. Like, unless I'm doing something like extra extravagant or really trying to like go there with a makeup look, like the more gradient the better. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to take, what is this one? Chings. This one right here. Chings. And then I'm just going to just put that on the outer corner. And surprisingly, there's not a lot of fallout. Like, not even a little bit. Not even a freaking little bit. Nope. Okay. All right. So got a little bit of that. Same blending brush. Just gonna kind of work that into the outer corner and see what we come up with. I think this look is gonna call for a cut crease, and I'm not even mad about it. So I stumbled upon like Katy when she was Lustra Lux like a couple years ago. I was still in college at the time. I think we're kind of like the same age. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. But I saw her do a really like cool look. It was like this purpley metallic-y look, and I was like, man, who is this girl? Subscribe to her channel, and like I've been hooked ever since. She's the reason I know who Desi Perkins is. So I say all that to say a little teachable moment. You know, you never know who, and who you follow might follow somebody else and know somebody else. Like, this social media game is something else. Like, it's crazy. So let me go ahead and comb out my eyebrows a little bit, you know, make sure I don't have any flakes or powder in them, because y'all know I don't really do my brows like that, so I have to kind of comb them through every, you know, couple of minutes when I'm doing my makeup, because if not, I have like all kind of crap in my eyebrows, and that's not cute. But anyways, moving right along, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm just gonna be taking my NARS concealer, and I'm just gonna be cutting away till I feel good about it. Okay, I'm gonna let that get a little tacky before I go in for the kill with this. I don't even know like the look I have in mind, because there's an eyeliner that I'm gonna use and I think I want to use, and I kind of want to dare to be different. We gonna see. I don't know. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's between a moment and game over. It's between these two colors, right? And just gonna go for it. Just gonna go for it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take another flatter brush, and I'm going to just work. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Get your tiger by his toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No? Okay. Alright, cool. I think I got it. I got it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with a moment, and I'm just going to tap the color onto my eyelids very carefully. Hopefully, I haven't had any fallout problems here lately, so we shouldn't have any problems now, but this is a shimmer shade, not a matte, so fingers crossed. Okay, so I just use this brush. I know some of y'all probably like, what the hell is this girl doing? I usually like to do, like, just tap a little bit, use like a flatter brush, and just kind of lay the shimmery color down, like coloring in the lines basically. So then when I go back with a firmer, more steady brush, I know where I'm supposed to be going. Okay, all right. So the foundation has been laid. I got GPS directions now, so I'm just gonna take a firmer brush and I'm just gonna work it onto my eyelids until I feel good about it. And I believe I'm gonna need some primer water, because I feel like I'd be doing myself a disservice if I didn't. Yo, this is absolutely fire. Okay, all right, Desi, Katy, I see y'all. Y'all did not come to play with my edges. OMG, that's all right. Okay. Now for the other eye. Y'all not gonna be able to say nothing to me at the company holiday party, okay? Nothing at all. Okay, I'm gonna be a little ambitious, because I mean, there are no rules in makeup, so I really don't care, but I do care, so I'm gonna try something. So I'm gonna take the other side of that shader brush, and I'm just gonna dip into this color. What is it? Just a kiss. Just a kiss, just a kiss, just a kiss. I don't think that's a song, but it is to me. And then I'm just literally just gonna pat that into the middle of my eyelid and see what happens. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do it to the other eye. See what happens. Just a little sparkle so when the light catches, you know, that good selfie light. You know, this is an extra step. You don't have to, but I'm trying to be extra today. Okay. For highlighter, let me go ahead and get Chasing the Sun out. This is a nice little bronzy little highlighter, you know. It looks cute, it looks cute. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna work it onto my cheekbones until I feel good about it. Oh, okay. That's what we doing. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Ain't gonna get no complaints out of me. Look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm being extra generous. Extra generous. I feel like there is no such thing as too much highlighter. Fight me on it. Shining, 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 yeah. All this winning. So I went on ahead and threw on some lashes and eyeliner because it makes me nervous doing it on camera. So, you know, here you have it. So what I'm gonna do now is for my under eye, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal I'll put it in the description box, but I'm gonna be taking this Cobalt blue pencil from L'Oreal and I'm just going to be lining my waterline and see what happens. I'm just gonna take Girl Bye and I'm just going to smoke out my waterline and see what we come up with. For my inner corner first, I'm just gonna take Chasing the Sun, a little bit of the highlighter. I would have tried Just a Kiss, but I don't know what that's gonna look like on my inner corner. So I'm gonna just go with my first line and just hit my inner corner with the highlighter. To set everything in place, I'm just gonna be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm gonna be using this new MILANI Vixen lip gloss. No, it's a matte. It is a matte lip cream. So we about to see what it's like. I went to Ulta, went in for 2 things and came out with a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't need, but whatever. It looked pretty, so I bought it. So let's see what this color is talking about. And I'm only just gonna put it on the outer parts of my lips. You know what? No. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and I'm going to This is more like a lip stain. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. I just wasn't expecting like out the tube, but you know, it works. It works. I'm gonna let it dry just a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead with the over the top lip topper and I'm going to gloss down my lips until I feel good about it, you know. Okay. If that don't scream fall, y'all, I don't know what does, okay? I don't know what does. All right, y'all, so this is the completed look. I am feeling myself. I'm 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 feeling myself. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. All right, so this is the look that I created. I'm in love with it. I'm slowly but surely getting into the spirit of fall. Very slowly. I love this look with the hair, everything, you know, everything is falling into place. So if you don't like the look, I'm assuming that you're a hater, okay? But if you did like the look, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what is going on with you, but be like Nike, just do it. Join the fam. We are growing, so catch this train while we're still at the station. But yeah, also make sure that you're catching up with me on my other social media platforms as well. We're quite lit over there too. But yeah, you know, I digress. You know, I got brunch to get to. You know. Anyways, whatever. Anywho, that is all the time that your girl has today. Remember that until my next upload, the kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, remember to be kind and be you.